Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMate Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use a maximum formula on your Microsoft Excel mobile. So this is, if you're having a 5 data, you can just enter this formula which automatically gives the maximum value on that particular values. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to use your maximum formula or maximum function on your Microsoft Excel mobile, just going to show in this video. So first, for that I just need to have some value here. So here I just going to type 56, 75, 20, 34 or something like this. Next something like this. Okay, so we have a total of 5 values here. So click on the next cell here like this to create an answer. Click on this arrow section first and just change this and just you just need to scroll down and you will see an option called auto sum. Click on this and here you will see a lot of option, and here you just need to click on the max. You can see this is called maximum. So click on this and it will ask you the range. You can just select the range by dragging and click OK. Now you can see the 75 is higher value here. For an example, I just going to change this to something like this and click OK. You can see it's changes. This is how you just use the maximum formula on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.